China makes a revelation that could change the destiny of humanity and life as we know it today. Amid the sparkling lights and applause echoing through the enormous auditorium of the 2025 World Robotics Conference in Beijing, an announcement left the audience divided between fascination and unease. The Chinese company Kaiwa Technology revealed a project that, until now, seemed to exist only in the pages of science fiction. A humanoid robot capable of generating life within itself. The prototype, scheduled for release in 2026, would cost approximately 100,000 yuan, just over $14,000. Inside the humanoid's metallic abdomen hides an artificial womb. There, an embryo could develop in an environment that mimics the natural womb with disturbing precision. There is also synthetic amniotic fluid, tubes providing essential nutrients, and an artificial placenta fulfilling the functions of biological life. According to Kaiwa's founder, Zhang Qifeng, the technology is already mature. The challenge now is to integrate it into a body that interacts with humans, combining scientific precision with social sensitivity. The proposal goes far beyond medicine. It aims to offer an alternative for infertile couples, people with medical restrictions, and even those who wish to avoid the risks of biological pregnancy. But behind the promise of hope lies a shadow of uncertainty and questions that still have no answers. Who will really be the baby's mother? What bond can form between a child and a machine? And what does it mean to be human when life can be gestated outside the flesh without the touch or presence of another human being? In China, a country marked by an aging population and a drastic decline in birth rates, this technology emerges as a possible solution. But the impact goes far beyond demographics. The audience, upon hearing the announcement, oscillated between eyes lighting up at the innovation and shivers caused by the unknown. The fascinating and the disturbing merged in every reaction. Zhang Qifeng has already begun discussions with the authorities in Guangdong province to talk about rules, limits, and regulations for this futuristic creation. But while laws are still undefined, one question hangs in the air, full of suspense and unease. Another question that remains is, are we facing an advancement that will save millions of families, or the beginning of an era in which motherhood itself will be replaced by machines? The future stands before us, bright, uncertain, and unsettling. Share your opinion in the comments, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this news so that more people can reflect and debate what's to come. See you in the next video.